Hi, this is part 3 of our video tutorial, how to see the real UFO in the US Pentagon video. And in this tutorial, we are going to show you how to upscale the resolution of this video so you can see better details in it. And you can use this technique in any other UFO video that you want to study and to see better details in it. These are some of the same steps and techniques that we used to show the public some of the incredible videos and material that we feature in our DVD production that we did of this UFO. Because one of the big problems with some of the UFO sightings and the scientific community today, it is that some of these scientists are still using for this situation the traditional and ordinary human approach of bring me something to examine to see if this is real alien. And this type of thinking, it is outdated and does not go along with the computer power that we have today. More about this subject in another video. And briefly, let us address why it is so important that we upscale an image by increasing the resolution, and also we change some of the colors around. For example, take a look at this US map with a low resolution setting of 125%. And with this low resolution settings, it is very hard to make out any details on this map. And this is because the scale size and these colors do not allow for extra details to be shown. Also, notice how the colors inside the map, these colors, they seem to be making the shape of something else. Now, take a look at the same US map with an 800% resolution setting and a different coloring scheme. Look at all the details in this map that we could not see before. Likewise, when you are analyzing some of these UFOs, videos and images, the percentage of the resolution, it is controlling the amount of details that you can identify. And the colors may be disguising details that you can see, but the colors are hiding its true shapes from your eyes. So anyway, let us go ahead with this tutorial.